Welcome to our channel where saving money on flights becomes effortless with just a few simple steps. Welcome to our channel where saving money on flights becomes effortless with just a few simple steps. When it comes to redeeming Hawaiian Airlines promo codes quickly and effectively, the process can be straightforward if you know the right method. Start by going to the official Hawaiian Airlines website or app. Once there, navigate to the flight booking section, enter your travel details including departure and arrival airports dates, and the number of passengers. After selecting your desired flights, you will find an option to enter a promo code or coupon code on the payment or booking summary page. This field is usually clearly labeled, so look carefully. Once you have your promo code ready, simply type or paste it into the box. And make sure it is entered correctly to avoid errors. Next, submit the promo code to see if it is valid, and the discount applies to your booking. If the code is accepted, you will notice the total price adjusted, reflecting the savings. Keep in mind that promo codes may have restrictions such as minimum purchase amounts, valid travel dates, or specific routes. So always check the terms and conditions before applying. If the code is not accepted, double check for typos, expiry dates, or usage limitations. Sometimes codes only apply to new bookings or require you to be a member of a loyalty program or newsletter subscriber. If you want the fastest way to redeem promo codes, use the Hawaiian Airlines app, where the interface is optimized for seamless code entry and instant feedback. Once you complete your booking and your discount has been applied, review all details carefully before final payment to ensure everything is correct and that you have received the best deal. Following this quick method will save you time and money, making your Hawaiian Airlines travel experience more affordable and enjoyable. Don't forget to keep an eye out for seasonal promotions and exclusive offers available only through the airline or partner sites by subscribing to newsletters or following their social media channels.